know what? I've made it on bologna and noodles before. And I know how to do it again. No, I don't want to live there, but baby, I'm not going to die if you come and take my car. I know how to hop on board. Y'all not going to talk. Maybe it's just me, you know, because I come from peanut butter and sugar sandwiches. You know, I understand about fried bologna. I know about having bread and syrup. Y'all not going to talk to me. And even though God has elevated my life to a point of provision, I know if I needed it, if I had to, I know how to survive. Jesus. Survivors are fighters.
Work it out.
People who have the spirit in them to fight and press. Survivors are also, watch this, folks who can never escape. You're the one that's going to always get caught.
Yes.
So true. Some of y'all are like me, could never do nothing. Everything everybody else was doing, they was getting away with it. You try and you get caught on the first time. You try going there and lift a pair of sunglasses.
My God.
Folks is walking out with couches and TVs, and you like, for real? Survivors are those that know how to roll with the punches. God never lets you get by. You always have to face the circumstance. Survivors always have to face Goliath. Survivors always have to face the battle. They never get a chance to go hide and go retreat. No, you always seem like when everybody else has a moment to rest and get reprieve, you're still in the battle. As a matter of fact, survivors are the ones that your family call on when everybody else is having problems and you saying, I got situations and stuff happening. Why are you calling me? But they know that somehow, some way, you got an answer that's going to bring, you got a spirit on you that's called make it happen. You got a spirit on you called bounce back. They know that you never gone under, and in the midst of your deficit, you still got enough to be a blessing to somebody else. Am I talking to any survivors in this house that know that God pulled out of you when you feel like it ain't nothing there, but still yet and still somehow, some way you get enough God